Monica.
You know the wife follow your husband go buy suits or 600 euro.
Okay.
Baby bed, not do.
Okay.
I know. Color your irons. Although, now man when you fit talk to, now they talk to. Please watch.
My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of where una dey watch our video from. My people, Enogie suit don cause kasala for inside social media. Enogie, you know say your children room never dey okay. You can't go buy suits for 600 euro according to una people wey dey talk am for social media. I no know. I no go your house. I no know how your house be. Make we watch Umenwan. Make we hear wetin Umenwan talk and proud mom with Lobolobo. No be small saga dey happen for inside social media. My people, like I say before, say this saga e go long for ground. Saga continue regarding my people. Let me leave you all to enjoy this very video. Please no forget to like and share. My people, to like video now free. Mona help me they like the video now. I beg I dey. I beg Mona help me like and not be money. They not they pay to like video. If you help me like and so that Facebook will feel YouTube will feel comment my video. Please help me like the video. Thumbs up the video. God bless you.
Investor controversial investor Enogie win. Neck work la video. Neck beto. We don't get the show now. If you go about now, I'm happy done. Yeah, you better go to it. In that way, in the auto type of mama we do. Like yeah, the Monica, yeah, the Monica where wa cool. In pity we. Imagine the Monica do boy. Make boy dia. Monica boy dia. Let us update boy dia. Prado make boy with you. They can hear moi okay. Ya wu. You can't be mama. But ya guy referee, you be referee. I know they do saga. I dey shave my hair. I be referee. I just dey call results and they win and they give awards. Hey Monica, igelo. Monica oh, igelo. Monica, igelo. Monica oh, igelo. Monica, Ubona Beo, Monica, Ubona Be, the water, yesterday was too much. Oh, Monica, oh, what are you telling them here? Even the coffee there. I Monica first, give me a man again at all. Monica, the big person, when they buy that coffee, you are wicked. Oh no, we can't. Oh wait, don't buy the coffee. In a way. Only me want to take on myself. Okay, when they buy this one coffee, make it take solo speed, make it take what I know. Jesus, I don't think it yesterday. I swear. If not the way, only me want the Christmas I bed yesterday. Hey yo, in the net, don't get come much more than the debunk. Papa, you debunk tire. You go explain, Tanya. No evidence. So all this why? When I am Wakaine, Uka Dane, Ube Monica, you want a boy to Monica, you and your family, they want a boy, a slave to Monica. Monica feed you, he clothes you, he give you laptop, he donates money for your mother when your mother was as an ex-convict. Oye, Papa. Do whatever best of no great bakery will lock up. Or money answer maybe or answer 1 or 2 times without playing on you. As woman maybe say get secret. You knock you 1 or 2 times, you lock up. You for your rest. Yes, now. I still do my things. You for your rest. As I say, you know, say this man one of your 2 things. You cheat. You lock up. You know what you're talking about? You're up now. Yes, now. I don't want to follow you play. I don't want to follow you play. Everybody do you. Baba, you lock up. First and first, if I come and say, you go not do nothing. And when you know, say, that money, come on, to me, man. If you do, but then, bed nowhere to hurry. Area to hurry. Bed of the same feather, flocks together. Oh, we no man one. Are you ruko? Benin, not be joke. It had no devoir. No man I want. Are you ruko? I want bon yes one of generation. E kwese pakpa no bia ezio. Monica oh, Enogie. Monica, Enogie. The saga yesterday sweet me, I sweet my belly. Wallahi salam alaikum wallahi. I sweet me wallahi. I see when Monica they give water. I say wallahi chai. This woman I get claim for person queen. I get pay for person wallahi salam alaikum. Man, I take them easy queen. Take this cigar easy. Take this cigar easy wallahi sagay. Take wallahi man. Take this saga easy. This woman I don't want to take this saga easy. I did given for the way wutu. I did given wutu. I did given wutu. I say salai. Why this woman went paying for somebody go? Why this woman I went paying for somebody go? I go this and say this person has been looking for this woman many years ago. He has been looking for this woman. He been looking for this one. This woman I quiet. I don't want to talk to this person. I don't want to talk to this person. This person I did call me better. I did call me better. This woman I quiet. I don't want to. This woman, he quiet. He say this everything they get up on phone. He don't want play up. The woman quiet. What? This man and this wife, he come out. They get cousin for this one. The cousin for this one. The way he cousin for the woman picking cold. The cousin for the woman picking with the water. He put him for the woman picking with the water. And the way he forget and say, his husband they don't pay postal for this woman picking. Many years ago, me I don't bring and come and be the shop. The husband I posted for this woman picking. I pray and say, make God let our daughter be like this one. Make God let our daughter grow like this woman picking. I they beaten for this woman picking. They beaten for this woman picking. This woman I don't face. Well, like, how they go take settle this matter and don't go. How they go take settle this matter. This woman I don't face. I don't face. I dey tell this woman say, well, like salam alaikum. Then go there. But they are big like one for these children. But they don't face now. But they don't play audio. Audio, but they play yesterday. I don't scatter everywhere. Wait, change. Everywhere don't scatter. Everywhere they scatter. Problem and full life everywhere. How I go take settle this matter now? Me, I dey go to house shuru. Wait, I want to tell my Tunubu how to come and talk for this matter. Tunubu de. I did say people clean. Tunubu de. Tunubu de. I did swam. Tunubu de. Tunubu I don't fall. Tunubu I dey fall now. They fall. I get up for stroke. Well, man, I beg you go pity this man. Chai, this man you do make you pack your car or go for nothing because Germany not fit you. This Germany when you say so now beating you gonna receive. Who they come number? Mama B. Hey, madam, wallahi. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Now, so una be abi.
My darling, where do you get to know? Well, I will give you. I will go give my sister join your wife, man. I'm saying I don't give you. I'll give you.
Thank you very much, ma.
I owe you beer money. You understand?
Thank you, ma.
I owe you beer money.
Thank you, ma.
But when they are coming out of gear, they get better on it. And God will bless you.
Amen.
Continue your good job. Now why you get the arrow me one year? Now I be a care because I know say you be a more. Mama, no, you don't understand.
Thank you.
You get these people with the always stand down. But when time for help to be rich. God will continue to bless you for me.
Amen.
Hear me?
Amen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, when you do so, God will use it to bless you.
Amen.
You understand me?
Bless you, man.
So much.
Bless you.
Thank you so much.
All right, man.
And we're coming back.
When we estimate we second my results.
I know now. They don't get my but they will record. But they are doing a blast of panel because my music don't need with over here not you. Or when they see it's here or when they go along because money or more got for you. All the late time you understand. But they not supposed to sit and teach Nora how to talk. Because my daily because here we are here. May the other of your own. Or we may have near waving or not of your own. You might care but or money.
I was a guy who are mining. Understand? Because that matter can man of you like no of you than the whole alamoni, barely have been allowed.
I can't be a Sagai member. Better than you were saying, Lara, say bye bye, and I am woman. Where does I communicate with the way? Communicate. Don't begin to shout, go shop. They are not saying children, they are not the same. You understand me? Exactly. It's not a big but he could talk. But I will take it depends on Enogie. Enogie has to make that get to talk. You understand? Yeah. Now me, now mama be the talk. Enogie has to make it because Enogie, it's like a second one. Yeah, man, where? Any mean why I say, me are not dead that one. I don't think my being my in-law. I'm being my in-law, my big girl, my 5 beautiful sister. Where I say, give me. Sister, they run for me. Oh, man, I think I look outside the what? What's good? How many songs? But don't be like. The truth has to be said. You understand? I don't hate anybody. It just that's just me. When you are doing it wrong, we talking. If you are doing it right, we are talking. Why are you talking? Because Enogie no say yok ma de carry yok no where yok corner obe Monica. You understand? You get voice to talk to that person the way you like. Because you know see this person, you know 1 cent. You feel me now? You have voice to your weapon. Oh, you know where you're going. Eh, when you're down, you're not aware. Bunda what we're saying, no way who you are. I will say about one is about to go on, no way where they going. But what Enogie, o cow, Ubogiva, Ubogiha, Ubokanya never in a yati bonnet. If they are, this is what they assume. Who are trying to systemize it. Oh, you're in a walking of a Becky soon. Before I my Becky will larger media, you got trying to systemize it because why? Or Castle, my way, Padmo. I will be a coconut to tie, we know here. And I quite systemize it. If I'm way, baby, Zuo, when Ogniella, and I'm trying to systemize it. No, then what the other. If I can know, I will be a coconut to tie. Will be a coconut to tie. And I quite pepper woa. But when we're in a Gualisagi, or I'm with a good of bonnet, and me out your miss again. So you need to give her that blood. Also, you know, Sansan. You know, I like baby. You understand? Okay, I'll wait. We can remind Sunuba. First of all, 2,900,000. 2,900,000 are donating. Even on live video, on live video, Monica live video, people that were sending her receipts, without being told. That very day, Monica, that first video, where I donated usually, if Monica Manamigo, it will collect nothing less than 1 million naira. We can't have we 270,000 donating to the platform Monica. 270,000. Una you know where no tie. We never know how that we donate. Or you naga donate ne the canal download to the the first thing I donated download to me that first time. Like live video was about 800 something. Me true live video go down to 1 something million. Road TV was screenshotting everything that my phone here. He was screenshotting. Then he go there. I can't see the real screenshot they're going. Then he go there. The real screenshot they're going. Real screenshot they're. You understand? Any other post, he posted 900, 800 something. Post, but the major money in Allah you have to pay. As yesterday, when they talk to somebody still give 50K to Road TV. True man. As I pin that account to my page, anybody watch that video will still want to support those children. They give me 50K. They can be a blessing every day. They still collect blessing from my page. They still collect money. Ask latest update today, you know, go feature you. Any alert to the same, any receive the same for me and forward that to the chat update. He go still reply and say yes, the money enter. Sharply. If we don't need that, you don't see that they come out. Then they tell, why would they do well though?
But this man do well, but lucky do well. Now when they donate for us, now do well, now do well. They like that for ground. The money won't go. Is it all? Papa not dey. Because those children, the people don't get paid man. They just dey on their own. They think get this kind of respect. See, they appreciate people. Oh God, when you say you be we investor, you know, can we 2.9 million. Una do zanzewa. Una zanzon da for or da for that that the cool. Una the heck say you do. Oh God. This woman kept quiet. This woman, as we speak, somebody carry matter come for me 3 days ago. That's day for yesterday. I even did like video when they conference me of about Enogie 500 euro. Where person give you for party till now you must pay. I know the master. Till now you know the master. Now no, your partner Mama Germany for is not acting like that. They want 500 euro wey you see for party. You and he said one hour fraud, one to a beg who have lost a wallet. What is standard? You beg this woman to borrow you 500 euro while returning. The woman had 500 euro 2018. See now, Mappy. The woman called me, tell me, I said, after us, my wife, I got my own. 2018 now, 500 euro. Mappy, a causa. All the money can work with this. So true. Where a causa. Or a causa. Or how the Roma. Okay, like Germany. Tina. Or Mappy. A woman, I do a call it Monica. Gume, I want me like you need more. On a bad day or deal. To no good day or deal. Days are bulukele. We build it. I follow my way to fabrica work. Into my job. I don't go pay me salary to 3 or 4 to go buy suits. I don't go green. Even though you don't give me the money, may go save them to do better things, get family. You get accounts, you get what you do for life. Let us say the way it is. I don't know what I do. No, give me. I don't know challenge with. After give me love and life. I not stop in the morning. I must start come out to call you on a set. See that you make me now. For public. For the life of now. When I want me your marriage. Yeah. We're not married. Una where Oguna. And you just imagine. So all the way I hear yesterday, I call the laugh. For nights, I call the laugh. I call say Jesus, what's your problem? Why are you laughing? Enogie, 2022, where you go with Facebook, you never they collect 60 penny for Facebook. You will see a slave to naija wash. Hey, bye-bye, boy, boss. I be boss. Me will be juice plus seller. 2021 now how they collect money for Facebook. 2021. When you do election of president, make me president. Now that month now monetize. That time I did for cantina, I did do live video. Now go sit there the speaker, all those small old things in the television for the backyard, the background. Now Facebook maybe you know the show, I don't get better phone. Now one Sony everything, one small Sony everything. Now they do live video with one 1981 laptop where you go get old school 1981 laptop. I can go log in my Facebook for inside the old school. If I did that, you would see me like wish. You would see me like television will not play like black and white. Like say ITV wants to open program in the morning by 4 o'clock. People begin to mock me. They begin to mock me. The time of Obaselu, yes, time of Obaselu. When they go record Obaselu and the Villa here. Now that I did live video 2021. Papa, I did there. Inside that same really. Facebook give me star. They give me star before they give lolo. Facebook don't give me star with the first benin person where Facebook gives star. As they give me star, they can't give Timaya where they for Napoli. That guy will do like woman. Timaya, they can't give Timaya. Timaya can't call me. Say I take do one. Say they see say they show stuff for your food, but you know I show they sit up. I cut them and so can say the Rona. I cut it Timaya Corona. Timaya can't get star. The other week they come give Lolo. Lolo come they celebrate the happy. Eh, Sani and the middle man go you. Or the video someone darkness video. That's what they did. I call that to my platform say, please, I need help. I need phone, good phone. Now so they started to beat me. It's the right up sitting my Frank Victor. Now so they saga me for comment section. Who be those who saga me? Ekman Spanner and one useless who's looking. One useless idiot who say now say looking. I don't want to saga that man. That useless man waiting for Benjo. Who say now say looking. Now so they finish for comment section. See who they give president. You know they look for one buy and phone. See who they give president. If they look for one buy and phone. I leak there they laugh. The next week, now I come out with brand new phone as is our go bazen. Now we go provoke. He wear me brand new phone. He wear me brand new laptop. Oh God bazen. Big ball. Oh God. No plan enter my laptop. Pip. Oh boy. Now so I know it now. I do my set up my page. Before I was about to enter my page. 2021, so first thing I say, that time when they give star now, then they give you challenge. You must get $500 before that star will stay. If your money reach $500, that star will stay. You're gonna say, please give me star. So I watch me, give me star. Oh, they shout, give me star. When I press my hands, I press spanner. Come with the sagbon for day, you know. Now so that's it. 21. For what's happening. My star we are get now, not be smart now. Not be now with Facebook don't swear. Facebook don't scatter. Sometimes that 2021, so Facebook they pay you reach like 2 times a month. 2 times a month. They'll pay you star money bill. They'll pay you about money bill. You go the wonder. As money they call this do. Me will do make like straw they drink months. I bet I wish with flash daybreak. And they say, ladies and gentlemen, this is the social media president. Social media president. And the both call it cry. And the both want that. Me no say if you want pepper, the both you want pepper, the both you know so that's the kid the both. And you get whip social media president. So you say pity. Oh, beg. I bet the Mofi Besha. Hello? Yeah? No. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, if you're there, if you say you remember, thank you. Thank you. You don't remember it. You know what that from. Now that year I started to make money for Facebook. In that one I get Facebook. Hey, yes, I get Facebook. Cause that the men I got job like they want me fine boy. Me I you know fear good there. Me I like that you know don't fear good there. But they go markets. I call the other close for Zalando. Zalando they that close that time. For the other close for Zalando. The man gave we don't done a jungle. We really was really thinking anyway. Now Monica can't help you. You see the odds with your wife play. I will lie. You do respect what I say. Hey, okay, you do respect queen. Okay, I beg you make you relation for our payout queen. Okay, everybody they say get our picking queen. Okay, they kill egg for our picking head queen. Okay, a big relation queen. I think Sister Monica chicken say, you know they had to do good. Okay, I beg make you release them. Hey, we saw now what you they pass through first. Try wallahi, I my brother quite. I general Ugo, I written for you wallahi. Ugo wallahi, me I go take and go. I go tell them for Tunubu. I go tell them for Tunubu say, oh you were there by court boys. They beat them yesterday. They beat Vera, they beat us with them by court. Us were there by court. Wait. Yesterday, don't wrote to me, I swear for us were there by court. Wrote to me, I joined up for everybody in Hotel Yoba. I joined together, I swear for us were there by court. That's them yesterday with Monica, I do beat up yesterday. Monica, I beat up for grenade. Monica, I carry her for grenade. I say, well, like, oh, husband, because I wife, I get on. I know gay we. You see where I cost now. They know they cost for my people. I know, say, in white people, I go we. I go fire for no gay we. And no gay we. I see what I cost now we. Monica, now I don't the cost for my picking. Monica, now I don't break up my picking for my screen. I don't the pattern for my picking. I will lay. I don't the color for my picking for Bobrisky. Will I? Oh, well, like Monica, I beg him. I beg him for Monica like this. Well, lay salam alaikum. Monica, I beg him for you. I beg him leave him for picking. Leave him for picking because the beating yesterday I too much. I too much for the beating yesterday. I beg. Leave him for picking. I go you say a quick one of breakfast. When boy I give him for Monica name in title name now is I go you say a quick one. Is there will I second say the name now? I go you say a quick one of breakfast. I even the Monica gets them now. And then I go you say a quick one. I quick one of breakfast. I don't tell ya. So even my sister, my high service sister, we will lie. My high service sister say I don't have a party. I don't call for a no gay week. A no gay week even for my €100 way he will lie. Why I be the MC way they thief in celebration? May I give up for Monica title saying you be able yourself a quick one of breakfast. Why Enogie is MC way they thief for celebration. The two name is written here. Well, like MC way they thief for celebration. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, I am speaking right now. I am the MC with the team for celebrate God. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you are here to celebrate with our sister, first of all, come and give MC with the team for celebrate €100. I know the team pass €100. Now €100 I the thief. If he pass €100, no big deal. I know the team pass €100. Now €100 the next one for me. I the team for €100. I'm saying when they team up €100. Where my pen? I come back over there. I see when they team up my people, I just got a bag now. If we don't want carry MC, want to go carry MC with a tip €100. MC with a tip is celebrant for Germany. No be another person. Enogie we. Richard do your sagaye. MC no rawiku. MC with the TV celebrant. No. Awiku ya the religion of Germany. Awi ni Iraq of Germany. Awi ya Rajiku. Awi ni Yami. Awi ya Ifedo of Yariku. Iye na he we do. Ye ga siku ye ya do ye. MC with the TV celebrant. Why don't you know? No have no maho. No have no maho. What can you do? Why am I cool? Why am I no gay? I'm still not celebrating. No, how do you go very cool? I do your home. Wala for MC with the thief is celebrant. Child, me I never see this kind of thing before. MC go the thief in your celebrant. Oh Jesus, this is heartbreaking. This is heartbreaking. Oh God, child. For those of you, I never know what I did talk. Whoa, that's my brother when they talk yours now. Hey, yes, you can go be Nikoi. Now I want to go answer like you. I want to go answer in English together. And you talk now say anybody did for German. As they were German, I want to go MC. I want to go MC for what it. Make a tell I know get away. I can't go every way they take for celebrant. If you don't see you want me money complete. Carry on for every good. MC with the tip celebrants. I mean the latest MC for Germany right now. If you want to show for Germany, carry MC with the tip celebrant. India don't be celebrant. You want me your money complete way? That the MC with the chief celebrant. You want me your money not complete way? That the MC with the chief celebrant. Anything you see, I know maybe I took them. Now Monica, I took them say I say the chief was celebrant. I say I the MC, I the chief was celebrant. So make una accomplice when I carry me for MC. I the chief was celebrant. I know the chief pays 100 euro. Like if they give up for 101 euro, I know be me quick. I did give up for 100 euro. MC way they give up for 100 euro. Make una carry now. I just gonna make una share this video. MC with the tip 100 euro. MC with the tip celebrate. Make una carry on. I want to marry now. I want to my lottery marriage. MC way I want carry come. If I chief me, or going to buy you wale. If I chief me, or going to buy you wale. Make una help me buy clothes. Clothes where I say no. Clothes of 15,000. I say for 100 euro. Clothes of 15,000. I say 100 euro for my lottery marriage. And see where the chief celebrant. Wallahi. Monica, you took off to something, sir. So Monica, you get all this audio with you all this year. And I will you don't even shut up your mouth. Child. So you get this audio, they come, they insult you, they insult your children, they insult your husband. You don't feel shut in mouth. Jesus. But you do the right thing. You let them know, say, now small picking. He pushed you to the wall. We're waiting naked. He will not pass back and face the push on home. He pushed you to the wall. Now you have turned back to him. Let him know that a ball is always a ball. That's how I say it. You understand what I'm saying? What happened yesterday is what I call a boy will remain what? A boy. Apprentice now practice. You don't feel no past master. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? You know understand? And you see the scratch where the scratch, so it shows that you are apprentice. You know the guy at least had a big reach. You know, be like a baka. You know, be like a baka. You see the diplomatic way when Monica can flash you. He judges you. That stupidity where you gather. Where you don't want to make everybody exposed. Monica still keep up for you. Your shame and disgrace. He still keep up for you. No one expose him. Omakbodio. Upon also your wife come out. Disgrace you. You disgrace your wife. Wait till you talk. Say my uncle Pekin. My uncle Pekin. I know my uncle Pekin. You know saga your wife. We know saga your wife. We know what your wife will pass through. If not you, if not me, may God forbid my enemy, not me and my wife, never can see happen to. Hey, I know say you for Zanzan my wife. Zanzan me Jonah. I know you. Then you know I say we say get sense pass you. We not because we not say your wife. Now, what to do? That they beat my husband, make I say talk or inside. Or everything with your wife they talk. It not me now. She not me now. Now you be the evil. If you invest your wife, you go to color all the truth comments. Osama said to we. What's a lot of you? Now you they drag that woman they go. Now you they make that one they collect busy for social media. You understand? I'm not walking away. I'm not walking away. I'm not walking away. I enjoy. I put a joy people. I they saga people when they saga your wife. You they share the video of the people when they saga your wife. As stupid you are. When I shared the video, where I was defending your wife, protecting your wife, for sure not to get depressed as a mother, as a nursing mother, for that period of time when you have issue with your wife, you sit down, you come out on media and let cause. If you ever go back to your wife again, anything when you come time for her brother not see her, that you have spoken, you were talking like a bold man, not knowing that you are a pure water man. Not knowing that you are a pure water man. I stand with your wife 247. I say, I stand with your wife. I support your wife. For she to have peace of mind, may she not go under depression because she has kids that she's taking care of. What was your plan towards that woman's life was to for her to buy? You don't care. Emotional blackmail. You don't care about her feelings. You beat her stupid off. You first come for us. Go stay for hotel, big boy. You leave that woman, made that woman started to talk. You told the woman to be talkative. You seize her Facebook page. She automatically open on that Facebook page. Start talking. They beg me, they follow her. They talk all the manner of nonsense. Let the world know, say, your man, they struggle with your in-law. After raising 2.9 million for you to go and rent house for your mother, you keep the mother in your in-law's house, shocking the money. Criminals. A criminal is always a criminal. And the whole world kept quiet. You also deceive and people and come and say you need 5,000 euro for document up to date. Document will not see. Money you go use and renovate your house. Give your olosho. Now where will they with it? Now you go still come out from media and talk. They talk. They insult people. Hypocrisy. Fool. Omoame. Ozwonomako. See your life now. See your life now. No one care for social media. No one care for social media. No one care for social media. It's no better than you now. You will live video tonight. Umami, you don't see sleep now. The saga too hard. Jesus. The saga, it's no longer very short saga. But the weight of that saga, it be like the weight of elephant. No go fit corset week. The weight of that saga to go. Or tell me. O one man boy be mama. If your heart was good, as the saga you go sleep. That is why I come and say, boy, baba with this man. The saga on you be like the orgasm. If the fire me and Okwa Gurwa, and when you bozo, Okwan Baza. Your boy, you nip in the memo. I want Baba with this man. Baba would be a boy. No woman, I want to know. Manade, would I want all yes, say, well, Matano. If you are a cloud of the carpet, young will be a bear, all you will mercy bombi. On the beer call. You don't finish or Zwonomako. I have bowed you when bow. Book, Saga continue, Saga may continue, Baba. I beg with your Muka Brode. One attack back. A woo. A bound Yawa or Jabu or my ticker had it bay. Or my yellow cover, no honey. Oh, bound and one. I will come bueno to my brother. Let me pick up. Hello.
Hello, bros.
Agree to. Hello. Okay, bien, bien, que Dieu explique.
For Mama Nora, Nora, since when I know Gary for it, she don't change. She cannot join Enogie, but Saga. And before say the phone is for her children, I know Mama Nora only use her children. Then they come when she say Mama Nora, what can we say? The one when they Nigeria, Enogie go ahead now. Alice is in a beer when you have a Jama machine. Jama is very queen at Tamamio Balikinola Jama machine. Italian and the 5 minutes of Balikwe. I read me now, my sister division. You were very a place no by a mammy ballet. If Monawa Pierre is Jama machine. Enogie was selling Aladana, we only live down about Ruby, can't truth. I say, okay, do Saga, children. The one we born for Nigeria now, Igbo Island. The one with Mama Nora born for innocent children is Zanzale come and be the order. The thing they pay me for. Mama Nora for don't join.
Where's Peter? Say, I don't make it away food. No vessel. I don't make it away food.
You know,
as you know, thank you very much, man. You see Enogie, that one where they told Enogie born for Nigeria. Enogie mama, and that picking deal with. I better consider when Enogie can't tell the world why a mother pursue in daughter for house. Why your mother pursuing daughter for house? Because he said the beginning of meals. The beginning they call it present for nights. Enogie daughter with their house, the first daughter. Enogie mama pursuing for house. Enogie come up on the book and say I talk. Come out, come debunk her. See that lie. No, no, I talk. The woman not pursue your daughter for us. The woman not talk to your daughter like beans. Come and cut the bucket. When it's me who were busy with, you know when you say we are because you get Umenwan. On Umenwan by on. Oh, no, it's like you have posted video ya of your hand. Oh, hand wo but a woman. If you are really bow, yeah, you post video na ya bow. If I make clip page, then that's keep page. You know, swallow your hand. If I might see Facebook, you know, swallow your hand. You know, where's my show? When I say thank you, man. Thank you, man. You know, it are going jet. It are going jet. You understand? Our who were there. So I see. I cannot lie or you are Nick Bay. You understand? You go to Facebook. You can do anything on Facebook. You can stand on Facebook and speak the truth. A video no way out be. Yes, I think I have that video. Let me play that video. Yeah. Why don't I video? Wala de eboga de go do twe ya nyanuhi eboga de go do twe ya nyakiko eboga de go do twe ya nyanabu eboga de onya na fuvu onya wele. Okay. Hello. Do what you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you. Era we are sorry. Era we are sorry. Adoma, I'm sorry. Era we are sorry. Oh, wow. Do body. Do not say no. Hello? Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, me, I'm not speaker.
One of our lady called out. Okay.
Oh, they hear you. Go ahead.
One of the lady caller just now said, Mama Nora no for join. Because they come involve our children. Mama Nora no for join. But he allow her husband make it insult another person's children. As that day we they insult Monica enemy children. You don't ever see that the cook come and correspond?
No.
You don't ever see that the cook come and correspond? Every go sit down, every go they insult our own children, your own children. You go they insult her every time for more than 1 year. He keep quiet, he ignore her. Because of Vera children, not join man, leave her, make they donate for her. Even if you don't want to donate, not condemn who want to donate.
Exactly.
Now he start again. Monica even talk and say, you know, they guess anybody when you want to donate to. But because of what Vera do, I want to find the truth. I want to find the truth. He no go donate. But anybody when you want to donate is free to donate. Every comment, he want what he do for 1 year. He want to start them again. He want to start them again. When you know, say you want already disgrace for the engage in public disgrace. He want to start them again. So my caller, if you cannot say he make them not touch the children, you could tell your husband say you can focus on the woman, not focus on the children. Exactly. No go sit down say your husband go dey lay curse on somebody else speaking, and you go say you not talk, put you keep quiet. And so you never pay primary school fees, so you never spend pampers money or pack money or now still make you dey buy. You will never put invest on your pikin. You dey swear for another person when don't invest on your pikin. So that your whole now go fake quick. You go fake quick payment because you never invest on.
Thank you, ma'am. Why? I'm not children. I just got beg me.
I'm not your husband for more than 1 year. And the husband say they will come share the money 200 difference. He said if they do something finish, you have so the phone I know you are black flag When he says, he never give the husband paper because he don't already get woman from Nigeria now. If not the audio when he played yesterday, we don't know say he get secret woman.
For Nigeria.
When he don't from Nigeria, when he don't keep. Immediately just get that paper now. Mama.
You go marry that one for us. Only I am married one.
No cry come at that time. No cry come at that time. Just be if you cry come at. Now social media will say discipline you. Say the time when are there together. When your husband they suck another person, children.
Thank you very much.
Say, thank you, sir.
Do not say no. I do my do but do. I tell you. Do not say no. Hello? Hello? Do not say no.
Speaker.
I am the speaker. I do my do but you.
Sorry. I took a contribution. Monica, moi qui me support moi Barbara ou Pamela Loma. Il non c'est les Monica mana et Monica verre manania et Monica MMA. Il non c'est les Monica mana y plateforme ya ibunazi ni o yemi pa moi ayo give moi. A we no ki we no. We understand the man.
Ama we no zero. Oh you go no run, ma when anybody no rime when you we. It's not a force, it's not a task.
Monica to be using platform where you are web. Who didn't we were no. We understand the man now.
Ah, when we never know, don't never know. No, Monica, Monica, we my bring Monica. You understand?
Okay.
If you better Monica,
only number two, I took a Monica or say, or say, benin. A Monica, all journalists all these days, being no Enogie essay, being no essay, a Monica ma play. You are again Monica, she's a good woman, on so man, the Monica. Who beg Monica after many years, almost 2 years now, a Monica ma called Junior. And no demana Monica do pay. I took a beg. E Monica ma do veniaro via processé venne no che via processé non ti è boneste e Monica ma be a tu ko bege o ma be vere malate be do pano be e no te mana do be no ya ge Monica me good heart.
yes.
A tu ko bege
yes.
a tu bege pa o ma mo juna ke to the family years na no ke ro via compete a pronaro via prosonaro via ke to ate. E Monica mark more you. And I took beg. Me ma blame Monica, she's a good woman. E Monica wa here, true to God. On say bele win because of I am so pa. Yeah, what you know next thing.
I le pele o bombazo. Negociar. Negociar le pele.
I took beg. I took beg fa. Oh, let me be ma venia what you know le ke do ade for 2 years of bana.
What you do boss there? Oh, c'est maintenant moi. Ah, c'est maintenant moi ni Monica là. All right, thank you very much. Let us speak another call. Hello. Hello. What up, Bill?
Don't daddy. What's up?
I'll speak out.
One error. If your body only met, I'll be only Vera now. Masisi Vera. Because we have when Monica carry what telling ready. And I'm with anyway. As at that time.
Yes, I like that.
You understand?
Yeah.
So you might only buy now what Monica was seeing here.
Monica la deve na Monica caleta eu não muito dizer Monica não tinha bai tiveram no pódio a dela no shaking padang Enogie we padang Enogie we
not be 40,000. They are fair. Buy the clothes, change your house.
hello
When we do they give them money every month. No. Don't believe that one. No. Change your bed sheet.
Okay,
do video.
This speaker. Talk.
Go ahead. Okay. When you go on social media, they forget many things. Monica is first person, no can feed you better. Monica is first person. And then Monica now got a bag of rice some years ago. Ona the vera no give me. A vera Misaga Monica, one Misaga Monica, a woman soon work up of rice no money. Monica is first person, no can.
Any young man, I forget to Monica fuck feed on. That is not why I'm here. Why was he? Why am I was he?
Every year, take Monica for price and Monica. Other than you can bear the Monica now, woman queen.
Thank you.
Monica answer,
Thank you. Thank you. All right, no, my mom all set. What's up? What they going all set? I'm still red. Why Monica? When you go back right now? All set, everyone. Okay, now let's go to the message to Vera. You know, send it Vera again.
I rented for my children. Then I will be proud of you. They will call you better one. You remember one what you want to do. The one way in Libya. And kill family. Now man. If you do that one, no saga you again. That's just the issue I have with you now. If you can be able, thank you so much for the start. But they say, okay, you want to be like Enogie, make it say, to get money. So congratulations to Enogie. Enogie, congratulations for making Vera to take care of our children in Nigeria. Enogie, congratulations. At least, that one now don't come out. At least, Vera, go and take care of your children now don't come out. Not be 40,000. They are fed. They are fed. Buy the clothes, change your house. Maybe to they give them money every month. No. Don't believe that one. No.
That are you here?
Change your bed sheet. Do video. By October, November. Let them show you their room.
That are you here?
Poster say, this is not the new room I rented for my children.
That
I will be proud of you.
That are you here?
They will call it better one. You remember one way you want to. The one way in Libya and kill family. Now man, if you do that one, no saga you again. That's just the issue I have with you now. If you can be able, thank you so much for the stars. If you can be able to take care of your children now in Libya and you live your family, I no saga you again. You don't say, if you don't obey me like this, me I know the quarrel. Now when you don't take care of your children, now when you don't say you want to take care of your children, then nobody going to laugh you again say, Vera, go and take care of your children. I make you to take care of your children. I, Enogie of Dutchman, I make you to take care of your children. I believe, if not for me, you would have still been where you are today.
Wow.
You for not know, Vera, woman,
wow.
I'm happy away. If not be me, we call the user they laugh you. Since then, say, Vera, go and take care of your children. Vera, go and take care of your children. And let me tell you something. Proud mom, I say proud mom, mommy love, he put that thing for your mouth. He put that thing for your mouth. May we really know what did happen for Nigeria. And now, you have been able to prove to us that you are not a mother. No stop, oh. If you see stop, we go still know. Because children are blessings from God.
Wow. The hear when you listen to yourself, I probably complete this for you listen to yourself. When you saga Vera, the message you send Vera, make it do for your children. When Vera refuse to do, when BC, the whole world don't do for these children. And you now they come, they kick against town. See me, they don't help the children. You forget, say you first send this message, go give Vera. Make Vera go take care of your children. Don't be the 40,000 when they send them. Today now, you dey kick against the same message where you first send. When they call me, the same message where you first send go give Vera. Now you dey kick against now. You now dey support Vera, now they back Vera up to they do the same, the opposite side of what you talk so. Hello? Hello, hello. Okay. Okay, they say part 2 of the film of this film don't start. He be like say, I go first cut this one first. No, me I cut this one, me I first bow first. But I'm not saying I know the shave. Now I say me I take clear this saga. Small. You understand? Now I'm shaving now I take clear this saga. Small. Do not say no. I do my do what you. I tire. Hello? Hello? Original hello, I did like video. What up, right there? Yeah. Me have to speaker.
So you can't make video na Vera.
Yes.
So, give me your one. When I congratulate you, you Vera ya ba we. Oh, but why do me now where the very amount me know we update it your video ladia. Oh, when okay no. No, na me or mommy update. But a black we man na ya update me Vera.
Yeah.
Oh, when okay no mommy ya. Au no.
Yes.
E pere deve musati aje. O saume se o hagilioja. O hagilioja. O hagilioja o popiana. O hagilioja o popiano wage se agbadaru nu ya kwa. O se Umenwan uluha and the Lord just remain in Ujena. Agbokari ya gbiyano ka. Anybody no go where say to. All our reckon on chili. I need John got a bit. Oh, then time. I'm going to go Enogie. Okay, you may fit to refer a money. Don't congratulate me. Remember me, Vera, my women up. At the end of the day, me, Vera, my women up. Who dear said to a money, you say. Ema do defo na do o whip your carry do ho wa o wa no ka yele kina na koko ho o na do yele money mutia e na do a go de mutia e ye Vera on that 1 month na e gbo wo kan ye shegun ye bozo abi wa mami o e no do we wa o abi wa o.
Sure.
The way my update really have it you who are over here. It will never be well with you when you are in social media now. Feel where you feel where you okay, always think to number one because Saume say now njoh. Saume say, well, what is your problem? What do you think you are doing? O we boy, eto we. O ha mi no heko we. Fi we la wa no le ni Enogie. O le ni Enogie. Wa we marriage na wa mi ke no ya land we. Enogie ma we me we e na atota. Ije no ke obo Enogie. Ije no ke play Enogie no omo. O mai na itama we.
Exactly.
Opi obi no omo. Omo pa omo no me nwa emo pata ma o hiri. No so wa. Bye, prophet.
Thank you very much. That's the truth. Enogie, the lawa as a husband. Since the area I will offer. So my people, my loving my people, my people. So my lovely people, I greet you all with better style. Let me do 1 or 2 things. Let me leave you guys fresh now. Then we'll come back again. Me Monica for the clear on first and they come. Yeah, can't win it because even you man who me do okay. Me I need to fair bar first. For balance. A vie kia on a vie kia.
Long time, bro. What's up?
Oh, you yeah.
It's your birthday.
Vegas.
Correct, man. Bro, what's up now? That's my mom.
We are do okay, we are do okay girl.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what do you not think about this hot saga when they grand between Monica, Enogie, and who again Vera children, and latest aproko Sarah T-Boss. My people, they menu. Vera children don't cause kasala for inside social media, not be smart. My people, please no fail to like and share. God bless you all. Stay blessed.